Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, Rifki here. In this video, we are going to make a footer for our e-commerce website. Alright, so it's not there's not special with the footer. Uh, it's only this one line of text. Okay, to make that, let me show you the code. Okay, so we wrap the text with one div. This footer is the class. Okay, let's see the CSS. Alright, so in the container we make the display flex, and the flex direction is row. If you're not using flex row, uh, if you're not using flex row, this this the Muhammad Rifki, oops, it's Malik again. This Muhammad Rifki will not be in beside it, but it will go to under it if you are not using the flex direction property. And don't forget to make it aligns item center to make it center. Okay, I think that just that for the footer. uh, See you next in my next video. Okay, bye, see you soon.